Okay, this is the configurator page for the Android app of Pre-Sales Advisor, and we're on a model for the RS140 family, and I'd just like to take you through just a couple of the features we've implemented. And the first one is the focus row highlighting. So this part here is a focus part, and it's been styled in this green style to indicate that. And another one of the features is the counters at the top. So as you're adding parts and removing parts, if relevant, these counters will adjust. So if we edit one of the memory parts, just add 5. On top of the one included memory part, you can see that the count has gone up to 6 of 4, and also the style has gone to a error red colour to indicate that the counter has gone over its max. And another feature we've implemented is this notification bar across here, and this has a count of any messages that are currently active on this build. So at the moment we have only one message, and it's a type of warning. So we have the count there next to the warning title. And if I select one of these RAID parts, I knew that would initiate one of the information messages, so that has appeared there. And if I add another one, that activates one of the errors. So you can see that all 3 types of messages are indicated up here, each with their own count. And if we tap any of these, each one of them is tappable. They all take you to the same pop-up with a list of all of the messages associated with this build at the current time. I can close that pop-up, and I'll just deselect a couple just to show you this updating again. So as the messages of a certain type reduce to 0, the bar will go away as such. And also, I'd just like to show you, as we're logged in as a reseller user, if we tap on the price up here, you can see that multiple pricing is available as you're building, but on the screen by default we only show the primary price. And another feature I'd like to show is the review summary button. If we tap on that, this will take you to the summary of this build, and the filter pane has been hidden on the right, so the user can focus on just the selections that they've added. And we have a back to configurator button in the bottom action bar too, which takes them back to the view they were last on, so they can continue to configure.